The Star Trek franchise is expanding on CBS All Access. The streaming service has announced Star Trek Short Treks, 4 standalone short stories that will begin rolling out on Thursday, October 4th, ahead of the early 2019 Season 2 return of Star Trek Discovery.
Each of the 4 stories will center on a key character, including familiar faces from Star Trek Discovery: Mary Wiseman, Tilly, Doug Jones, Saru, and Rainn Wilson, Harry Mudd. In a short he will also direct, as well as a new character unfamiliar to fans, Kraft, played by Aldous Hodge.
Star Trek Discovery follows the voyages of Starfleet on their missions to discover new worlds and new life forms, and one Starfleet officer who must learn that to truly understand all things alien, you must first understand yourself. The series features a new ship and new characters while embracing the same ideology and hope for the future that inspired a generation of dreamers and doers. The series is produced by CBS Television Studios, Secret Hideout, and Roddenberry Entertainment.
Descriptions and premiere dates of the 4 installments as well as a preview clip follow below. Runaway, Thursday, October 4. On board the U. Discovery, Ensign Tilly, Mary Wiseman, encounters an unexpected visitor in need of help. However, this unlikely pair may have more in common than meets the eye. Written by Jenny Lumet and Alex Kurtzman. Directed by Maja Vravilo. Calypso, Thursday, November
8. After waking up in an unfamiliar sickbay, Kraft, Aldous Hodge, finds himself on board a deserted ship, and his only companion and hope for survival is an computer interface. Teleplay by Michael Chabon. Story by Sean Cochran and Michael Chabon. Directed by Olatunde Sunsonmi. The Brightest Star, Thursday, December 6. Before he was the first Kelpian to join Starfleet, Saru, Doug Jones, lived a simple life on his home planet of Kaminar with his father and sister. Young Saru, full of ingenuity and a level of curiosity uncommon among his people, yearns to find out what lies beyond his village, leading him on an unexpected path. Written by Bo Yun Kim and Eric Lippold. Directed by Douglas Arniokoski. The Escape Artist, Thursday, January 3. Harry Mudd, Rainn Wilson, back to his old tricks of stealing and double-dealing, finds himself in a precarious position aboard a hostile ship, just in time to try out his latest con. Written by Michael McMahon, directed by Rainn Wilson.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.